ammunition, man. What they got? 30. What is that? 150 grain. When you get over here, dude, this is where the 9s and the 45s and the 40s are. Fucking nothing. Nothing. And people sit here from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock when they put it on the shelf, and the 22s also. And they're also limited 3 boxes per customer per day. You can't have anything. Every day they get stocked, every day they get shipped, and this fool hasn't seen 9mm or 45s for 2 months. They're ordered and it's all sold out by morning, by 7 o'clock in the morning when they first put it out. Bullshit.